This review examines the iPhone 15 Pro, focusing on its design, display, battery life, camera capabilities, and new features. The phone retains its familiar form factor with a 6.1-inch display. However, it incorporates a key alteration. The chassis material transitions from stainless steel to titanium. This change results in a lighter phone, though some users might find the previous material's tactile qualities. The display maintains the same specifications as the previous model, offering a 6.1-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It delivers exceptional image quality and a smooth user experience. Battery life remains a point of consideration. The iPhone 15 Pro achieves familiar endurance to its predecessor, the iPhone 14 Pro, with an 86-hour rating. This may not be ideal for users seeking a significant improvement. The camera system undergoes significant refinement. The primary sensor boasts 24 megapixels, generating exceptional photos rich in detail. It offers the flexibility to switch between 28mm and 35mm focal lengths. Additionally, the phone leverages a 48 megapixel sensor combined with Apple's next-level processing to deliver a high-quality 2x optical zoom. While the telephoto lens carries over from the previous model, it continues to capture sharp and detailed images with natural processing. The ultra-wide camera remains competent and incorporates autofocus capability for close-up shots. The iPhone 15 Pro arrives equipped with Apple's latest iOS 17 operating system. A noteworthy addition is the programmable action key, allowing users to assign various functionalities. Furthermore, the long-awaited adoption of USB-C connectivity brings several benefits, including the ability to output the phone's display to an external monitor and connect peripherals like a mouse or keyboard. The iPhone 15 Pro establishes itself as a compelling flagship smartphone. It delivers the premium features and performance expected from an Apple device, while users upgrading from an iPhone 15 Pro might find the changes incremental. Those transitioning from an older device or an older model will likely find the iPhone 15 Pro a significant improvement.